How to hide WhatsApp status from someone? Watch this video till the end. First, launch the WhatsApp app on your phone to get started. Then tap on the Updates tab located at the bottom of your screen. Then head over to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. From the option that appears, choose Status Privacy. You will now see three different choices. Select My Contact Except if you want to hide your status from certain people. After that, simply browse through your contact or use the search bar to find the people you want to exclude. Moreover, click on the names of the contact you wish to hide your status from. You can select as many as you like. When you are done selecting, hit the check mark to apply the changes. Finally, your status updates will no longer be visible to those you excluded, and that's all. I hope this video helped.